Today, I am going to cook a very simple dish that my mom usually made for me when I was living in Brazil.
Let's do it.
We will be using half onion. On high heat, put olive oil in a pan. Place the beef in the pan. You can use your favorite beef. Use only fresh garlic and salt to your taste on your meat. Cut some fresh ginger and put it in the pan. Leave the beef for 2 minutes. Flip the beef and add onion to the pan. After 2 minutes, remove the beef from the pan but leave the onion. Now that the onion has these nice colors, add chipotle peppers in adobo sauce to your taste. Mix it. Remove from the fire. Capiche? Let's serve with fresh white rice and fresh beans. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Now, let me know what city and state you are watching this video from. I want to give you a shout out. I am from Boston, Massachusetts.